Let's talk about cabbage in a way that's easy to understand. Here are some benefits of cabbage. 1. Vitamins and minerals. Cabbage is like a superhero when it comes to vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps keep your skin healthy and boosts your immune system. Plus, it has other cool stuff like vitamin K and B6, which help your body do its best work. 2. Fiber for a happy tummy. Cabbage has this thing called fiber, which is like a broom for your stomach. It helps keep things moving smoothly and makes sure you're not feeling all bloated. 3. Low in calories, big on goodness. If cabbage were a video game character, it would be low on calories but high on health points. That means you can eat a lot of it without worrying too much about extra calories. It's like having a tasty snack that's also good for you. 4. Fighter against sickness. Cabbage has antioxidants, which are like little shields that protect your body from getting sick. They're like the knights defending your castle, your body, from the bad guys, harmful things. 5. Great for your eyes. You know how superheroes have great vision? Well, cabbage has something called beta-carotene, which is like a superhero for your eyes. It helps you see better, just like a superhero spotting trouble from far away. 6. Cooking adventures. Cabbage is like a versatile sidekick in the kitchen. You can eat it raw in salads, cook it in soups, or even make yummy stir-fries with it. It's like a food that can be your cooking buddy for all sorts of adventures. So, cabbage is not just a green ball of leaves. It's a veggie superhero that helps your body stay strong and healthy in many cool ways. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.